When you walk out your door at the end of the day, or to start your day, you want to know that you're in a place where you feel safe, at home, and have the chance to see a beautiful sunset. Welcome back to Colorado Virtual Showings. This is our second virtual showing, and we are excited to take you to Highlands Ranch, Colorado. That's where you can find this blue gem that's available to rent. As you can see, one of the best parts is it backs up to a beautiful park. Why don't you come inside and check it out? As you step inside, you see a beautiful blank white canvas where you can create the perfect scene to dine with your friends and family. And just around the corner, you can prepare that meal in a well-equipped, spacious kitchen. This overlooks what would be the perfect space for a big sofa and TV for relaxation. Both the living room and the kitchen have sliding glass access to the backyard. This is a great living room space, and it will connect you to your 2-car garage, as well as an unfinished basement. But before we go down there, you gotta see the upstairs. First room on the left is another blank white canvas for either a bedroom or your home office. This is the green room. If one of your kids likes making movies like me, you should give them this room. Then down the hall, we have the most important, the master bedroom. This looks out to the backyard and connects to a wonderful walk-in bathroom and closet. Highlands Ranch is an amazing community. You can find a wide variety of great schools, churches, all the best stores, restaurants, all within a couple miles of where this house is. With 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a backyard, 1,756 square feet, renting this house is a deal that cannot be beat. There's a look at the other 2 bathrooms. Let's go downstairs and check out the unfinished basement. It does have a washer and dryer and a windowsill. Well, that's all we got for this virtual showing. For those of you who don't know, my name is Jordan Ham. Please like and subscribe my page, Colorado Virtual Showing. And if you know someone trying to rent or sell their property, send them to me. Oh, I'm so sorry. You wanted to see the house more? Oh, my bad. Come on back. Take your shoes off and make yourself at home. Man, all this showing is making me a little hungry. Hey, let's hop in the car. Park Meadows Mall is super close. Let's go get some cheesecake. Thanks for checking out this rental house with Colorado Virtual Showing. We'll see you at the next show, Colorado.